Hey guys, we're here testing out the Pentair Shurflo. Let's see, which model is this? 4008-101. We just got our little power supply here running through a meter, and then I've got a pressure gauge, a pressure release valve, and a flow meter. And so what we're doing is we're just checking to see what kind of actual flow we get versus what the pump curve says we get. So I'm going to turn this on and I'm going to come get the camera. Alright, so here's what we're looking at. I've got it set at 0 pressure right now. I'm going to change this over to gallons per minute. So we're sitting at 2.7 gallons per minute at 0 pressure. And we've got this dialed up to about 14.5 volts, and it's drawing about 3 amps here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn up the pressure a bit. We're going to turn up to 10 psi. And we're going to start hearing some noise here. So that drops us down to about 2.4. We're still around 2.5 gallons per minute. Let's see if we go up to 20 psi. So now we're at 2.2 gallons per minute. Go up to 30. We drop down to 1.9 gallons per minute. We'll go up to 40. We're at 1.6 gallons per minute, so that's still respectable. Let's turn this up to just under 50. We're at about 50. So now we're sitting at 1.1 gallons per minute. Now if I actually turn the voltage down to something closer to 12 volts, that's where I drop down below 1 gallon per minute. But most of your 12 volt batteries are still going to run somewhere around 13 to 14, so you're going to sit around a gallon per minute at about 50. And this does have an internal switch, so if I keep turning it up, it's going to cut itself off. I'll just close this valve so the pressure stays in the line. We don't have a check valve on the other end, so we're probably losing a little bit of pressure out the back end, but yeah, that's what we're looking at. That's our pump curve, our real pump curve.